I just filmed a pregnancy update video. You can see it. I will link it down below. I mentioned in that video that I will be doing a lot more makeup tutorials. So you should have another makeup, kind of like a talk through makeup look before this one. So check that out too. And I am going to just play around with makeup, which I haven't done in a long time, so something dramatic. My t-shirt kind of inspired me to do like a blue green kind of look. We'll see where this goes. This is not really a tutorial, this is just me trying out a fun makeup look. And yeah, I'll start with the eyes and move on to the rest of the face, and I will be using the Morphe James Charles palette, if you're wondering. I'll tell the colors as I go, but I am at the moment thinking of some of these beautiful where are they, these kind of colors right here. So we'll see what I come up with. It's just my way of getting things out of my head and clearing it. So all right, here we go. I'll bring you closer to my eyes and let's get started. Okay, hopefully you guys can get a good view. I'm going to use the MAC Prolongwear concealer in NC42 as my base. I'm gonna take a little bit on the back of my hand. And use a fluffy brush. It's very patchy today, I don't know why. Maybe it's getting old. Either that or my skin is like super dry today. I think I'm gonna put down like a base color, so I'm using Canvas from this palette. That color on, you are going to take a small blending brush and go into the color Mary, which is a rustic brown color. Let's put that in the crease. Always make sure not to bring it too high up. This is sort of going to be our transition color because I do want to put a green into the outer corner. I'm going to take a large fluffy brush and blend this even further. This is by no means a simple makeup look. This is just a fun look, basically. Now I'm going to take a brush like this guy. This is a smudge brush. Go into the color Daddy. It should have been called Zaddy, not Daddy. Tap off the excess and place this. Whoa, that's pigmented. Yes. Love a good pigmented shadow. So put that into the outer part of your eye. Now at this point this is gonna look really messy and weird, but we are just placing the color, so Hold on to your panties. You'll be fine. Okay. Now take that small blending brush from before and start blending the top. Don't add any more color at this point. We're just trying to blend everything. Okay. You can take a flat brush like this guy and go back in with that daddy color and start patting it down a bit more. Creamy enough to the point where it kind of like sticks to the lash, not lash, the eyelid. So you kind of, if you blend it, you kind of lose the shadow. So I'm just gonna go back and forth and blend. I feel like it's getting muddy, which I am not happy about. It's not blending the way I want it to. Oh, it's not good. Let's see. Let's just keep going and see if we can fix it later. I'm gonna take the color Cape Cod and put that all over the lid, which is a beautiful dark sort of shimmery emerald color. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. Yes, look at that, so pretty. Now if you put a bit of water, it would be even more pigmented, or kind of like a foiled effect. If you like that sort of look, you can definitely do it, but I'm just gonna keep it this way and see how things go. Now I'm gonna go into a color called Hello. It's a aqua blue color, which is also shimmery. And I'm gonna put this in the inner corner. Oh, so pretty. Don't bring it all the way in. I'm gonna go back to my small blending brush and I am gonna take, what color should I put? I'll take Punch Me and blend over these eyeshadows. And I'm also going to go back with my smudge brush from before and the first green color Daddy and intensify the outer corner. Now I'm gonna go back to that big fluffy brush I used in the beginning and go put down canvas again. I'm gonna take a small brush and go to the inner corner with Face. which is a light gold shimmer. Ooh, love it. I love that. That is so pretty. Alright guys, I think that's it for the eyeshadow. We will do the bottom lash line after concealer and stuff. I'm gonna go off camera and do my eyebrows. I'm gonna use NYX's Tame Frame Pomade in Expresso. I am also going to use a bit of Maybelline, oh no, Rimmel eyebrow pencil in the color Hazel. And my Essence Make Me Brow. And also I'm going to put some Fenty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation, and I'll be back. Okay, so I did my eyebrows and I also put a bit of top tape shape in medium tan golden, and also some Hourglass. What is this? Concealer in honey. Did I use honey, or what color did I use? No, I think I used almond, not honey. Let's finish the eyes. I think I'm just gonna do a bit of a baby wing situation. We'll see how things go. I haven't done a winged eyeliner in so long. This is probably gonna take ages, but yep, I have a mirror right here, so here goes nothing. What you can do is get a flat brush and go in with a black color, which I have here is Spooky from the same palette, and just press it on to the lash line. I'm gonna put my mascara, Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal. I was gonna put some lashes, like some corner lashes. These are Miss Adoro 307 is my absolute favorite lashes if I am wearing lashes. But I don't think I need it, so I'm just gonna leave it at this. I did get a bit of eyeshadow, mascara, I mean, on the top. That's pretty good for the eyes. Let's do the rest of the face. Bit of contouring. I didn't powder my face, by the way, because for some reason today my face is super dry. Just gonna do my contouring. Whenever you have your hair up, I think you do need a bit of a heavy contour. Otherwise your face tends to look a little round. So make sure to contour all around the perimeter. See how that makes a big difference? Don't worry about the harshness, we'll blend everything. You could even take a powder brush and blend everything. Blush and highlighter, I'm gonna do Coastal Sands Forever Blush in Royal and MAC Global Glow Mineralized Skin Finish. I'll put the blush first. A pinkish blush would go really well also with the greens. gonna put the highlighter on the tops of my cheeks. Right there. Oh! I love highlighter. One of my favorite things ever in makeup. I mean, look at that. So beautiful. Yes! That makes me so happy. I don't know what's wrong with my skin today. It's been like 5 degrees today morning and we are not used to that kind of cold, so yeah. Maybe that's why. I'm just gonna highlight here also. That just kind of make it really beautiful and glowy overall. Do you see? Just above the eyebrow. Yes! Pretty! You know what? I am gonna leave the lower lashes as it is because I think it's pretty this way. But if you want to change it up, you do you, boo. Let's do a lip liner. I'm gonna use Hover by MAC. Now, if you want to be super dramatic, you could use a color like this. Goes so well, but I'm not going to. I'll do Double Shot Amplified, which is one of my favorite nudes from MAC. Alright guys, that's the final look. You can put setting spray and whatnot if you are actually going to an event or something. I'm not going to set it because I'm literally just going to take this off and have a shower after I finish recording this and taking some photos, obviously. I think it turned out so beautiful. Now, this palette is good and all, like it has all the colors and whatnot. I don't know, man. Some of the colors are just, they're pigmented but so freaking powdery, and it took me a while to get rid of all that fallout because it was sticking to my skin. And yeah, it was an effort. So I do recommend it. It's good with all the colors. Like you have it all in one place and it's small and compact enough to take with you if you're traveling. But it's a bit of work to get some decent coverage, you know, with all the fallout. Just had to keep packing it on. So I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, this is the look. I hope you all like it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share my videos. I'll put all the links and products used down below. Yeah, I think that's about it. Thank you so much. Bye. See you next time.